era of the single, multi-million-dollar drone is ending. In 2026, the Pentagon has unleashed Replicator, a massive initiative designed to flood the battlefield with thousands of low-cost, autonomous systems. These aren't just toys. They are intelligent, swarming assets capable of overwhelming the most advanced air defenses on Earth. By using AI to coordinate hundreds of units at once, the US can now create a wall of sensors and shooters that is impossible to stop. If one drone is shot down, 10 more take its place. This shift represents a fundamental change in American strategy, moving away from a few exquisite platforms toward mass-produced, expendable power. From small loitering munitions to autonomous surface craft, Replicator is turning the tactical advantage back to the side that can build the fastest. The future of war isn't just high-tech, it's high-volume. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and also please subscribe to our channel, so that we can continue to bring you more great stories from the US military and their allies around the world.